Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the currency in the Stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Stake app. Let's click on this. And after going to the Stake app, now what we need to do, simply we have to click on the wallet section. And after going to the wallet section, we have to go to this option. Like as you can see here, currently the currency is AED. So now you need to choose. I'm going to click on the continue here. So for example, I'm going to choose the USD here, USD dollars. And as you can see now, 1 USD is equals to 3.77, and this currency rates are updated daily. So now I'm going to bake this one here. So as you can see, we are in the USD. When you will go to the home, you will be able to see all the prices into dollars, like 3 lakhs dollars, and these all prices are in the dollars. So in this way you can change the currency and the Stake app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.